Good morning back here. My issue topic now is to understand to men to people the Christ forgiveness or the Messiah function to survive the world by a willpower to consume again or back alive again from the matter of life also from the powerful influencer or backing people to our Christ. Our real world there is nothing to lose because the real world cannot matter to sin or to compromise. What the real world talking here? The real world is asking people to understand him. That's why Elite is understanding here to join the heaven world direction to rescue all sinners here. The back life of Christ is the tendency to our era to change fully or purely to God. Because if we don't back life here, our life here is still under compromise or sinning or conspiracy to Satan, evil spirit. That's why our destination here is eternal life. Why I'm talking eternal life? I'm talking eternal life because no sin, no death. Expired death is a beginning of life. That's why the wages of sin is death. That's why I'm backing to understand that to reverse the comprehension or the realizing of that situation uh, to have eternal life here. We have to backlife our life to Adam era or Adam life because we have to move back again there to see the future. So we even our time to have equal materializing conformity to righteousness or goodness or peace life or peace spirit from God. We have harmony here from the natural nature because our nature is talking here. We only sabotage that. That's why we counter again sin here or we counter exploitation. So many the problem here, but the main talk here is the money. So to monetize this conversation of my YouTube account, I I moved to have like this mine talent or mine money. So we all pair here. What I'm going to do to the money of the people now era. I will put the money to bank and guard them the money because their tendency is to put the money under the soil. That's why they have no sharing to righteousness or conformity to righteousness. This is a problem, a pattern of mine. I will solve that. I will heal that because that is a sin. doing disregarding people with your rights only. Negative. You cannot do that because your children will not prosper also. That's why I'm talking to all mother or father or daklan to back to to Christ life. You surrender your life and we will guard your future. Or your money, I will put that at the bank. Your share. I'm talking to elite people rich, to elite rich people. The money they earning. I will for that moment I became president. I will I will put the tax higher to elite people rich. To give to the people around here that have no motivation or hope or suppressed people. I will give them their rights. I will give them money, but I will hold it. I will put it to bank. So, elite rich people, so many have price there, but some people there conspire also. We know that because we know the future. We know the tendency to happen now. So thank you, and I will record some aspect of life later to bring 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 spark to this era or generation. Thank you, and God bless you all here. This is Sunday morning here. Thank you.